What is the shit? See like, hey, no, so I always say I pass the door.
I mean, I always say to the practice, so we are the right person.
I too do not, you know. That's a kind of cool, you know, I don't the town where I come from. So, William, can I get to know you?
No.
Why?
You see no man for me?
We can't get to know you, so you seem like a nice female, I would like to know you.
You know, seems like a nice man.
Why?
Because you said that.
You can't judge me just so.
Well, it seems like a nice man, but I don't really like your stalking business. You see it?
I'm not stalk you. I'm just there, so you know, we just buck up in here, we just always a buck up in each other. You know, probably something meant to happen, you know.
But tell me, if you not start me, why this 7 days per week when I pass it to some see it? So what you really there to do?
I'm not stalk you. I woke up and say, you know, you hear me there 7 days a week, but you know, say, tell you the truth, 6 days, you know. But today I just say I go up there, so I go on to tomorrow. See, if I go out and it look nice, so I can't work here, go and just so hot every day.
So why you can't work me I go?
And just so hot?
Yeah.
How can I work you do?
I don't need to know what kind of work me do. Anyways, I go about my business.
So, could you give me a number?
No, I don't have no phone. I buy me one.
Buy your phone?
Yeah.
I have to give me some time.
Alright, me see you then. Because you're ever the right person, so we'll see you.
Alright, I'm sorry. Let me see you again.
Alright.
See you then. Oh. Just hurry.
Can you say you're a stalker?
No, sir. Just have to come out of everywhere.
What you want?
I'll show you the place.
iPhone you gonna show me?
We have an iPhone over there.
As long as that phone you give me, no problem for come.
So come on. Oh, I'm tired and hot, you know. Shanice! Sit right! Shanice!
Look at my ball up my name, but support me never anybody knows what you say.
Me can answer me.
What you want?
Come on lunch, come on.
Which lunch?
Ain't food in there.
Where food there?
You don't cook.
I tell you the mackerel, I don't cook the mackerel. I pay mackerel in
Tell you
there.
the mackerel.
Yes.
So if you tell you the mackerel, look how much command for in the yard and I run them down.
And then I can't come here for the front and come on for.
I make you come here if you wash, cook and clean.
I look like me.
You don't look like a maid, but
look like?
you're my woman, brother. You have to do it right, you know.
Why?
Me a go hunt.
Why you hunting there where you do? You hunt mackerel? Mackerel in a jack of grace?
But no mackerel is nothing. Where go eat?
And that me come for ask you right now.
You go kitchen come and fall.
Me don't wanna come and fall. I want seafood.
Why come like a pig? You want what?
Seafood.
You not go look seafood man then. You don't say that take me for some idiot.
Me not take a feed that you are an idiot.
Brother, mackerel in there, brother.
Me don't want a mackerel from me come here, me and you mackerel. When you no jack of grace, me tell you mackerel.
So
I love mackerel. Me tired of them.
I'm tell us come
Me
mackerel.
tired of mackerel. You want to go bully beef or baked bean, just spray mackerel. Me tell you mackerel.
Every day is a problem, man. Can't take this, you know. Can't take this. Me go hot things.
Me can't go back.
Say I
They
love
take call me out of her.
me want to look at dinner, me just a come in.
Anywhere you come from, go back there, go yam.
I'm feeling I'm concrete.
If you want yam all the cement,
Shani, stop playing. Go and go cook something.
give me money. I just surely go shop. Correct now, if I don't seafood at port, so give me money.
Somebody left money in there. Where do with the money?
Me use to buy something.
So you feed yourself, but me and nobody.
It's like you're hungry, you don't hungry. The money.
It's alright. I'm gonna buy something down for the road now.
I'm hungry.
So you know just eat something.
From morning.
Where eat?
All that you want to know?
I mean,
When me shit it out,
So
you
that-
go looking at the toilet, you see what me eat.
so you don't need whole lot of money.
Yes, we buy something, eat and drink.
How can I something that? I can't see food boy, I gotta take your money by. It costs so much money. I tell you.
You gonna buy something for me eat? Or you gonna
You
write
gotta
us
buy
with the
something for me
lapis?
eat.
Remember say me hungry.
Couple of body mackerel and food.
You go eat the mackerel and give me the money, me go buy something to eat.
Can't take the problem now. Can't take this a problem.
Call me out there so good.
Listen to me, I go up on the
Come
road.
argue
I go up on the road, so when I come back, make sure it's something look good.
No, if you don't look
If
good, me
something
want
not
you
look good
defend it.
problem, I go dead it.
Alright, go on and come, because
Nah,
nah, look
me
good.
nah hear
Right
no
as some
talking.
here sit down, me need to move.
Alright, let me come back here and look good. Chinese. What's up, looking at house? I have a problem you want to create. You know, no cook. Oh, sir. Chinese. Oi. Wake up. Oi, look for me. You don't look for nothing all now. All now you don't look for nothing. Hey, wait. Chinese. You better have a good answer.
Where can I for me eat?
I'm going to come back for you eat. I come back nothing for you eat. If you come back for you eat, me expect you to cook.
Cook what?
No more see mackerel them.
Me tell you mackerel.
What do you mean you tired of it? Have you tired of mackerel? No food. Stop
More
going in your belly,
seafood.
full your belly. I want seafood. Mackerel hour.
No, me don't want a mackerel.
You don't want no mackerel? Oh. You know say you want a mad girl. You know? Go now. Yo. Stop blanking me. When I'm walking no yard.
Me tired of mackerel. Me don't want a mackerel for me now.
Stop nice, brother. I'm telling you. Stop. Yo. Stop ramping me now.
Let me go, me go me yard.
Look about the mackerel.
Let me go, me go me yard.
No yard,
Me
brother.
don't want a mackerel.
And that's how I look for.
And if me not eat him, you beat me.
Stop being nice, brother. Stop being like something.
I see you swallow up my foot. Isn't it funny?
One tear, Shanice. One tear. Me a try hold you and you know and hold me and I warm.
You look like me have energy.
If you don't have energy, you don't eat.
Black sugar, tough crackers.
Bro, early morning, you know. I didn't something there to eat when you get up. Because steam in your stomach.
Black sugar, tough crackers. You even want a little scrambled egg.
Today I go fry egg. You did want it? No. You say you don't want it.
Look,
You know your egg
come
now.
on. Cause me can't bother right now. Every day morning.
You can't
Every
bother me.
day of the morning, noon and night we argue.
You ever find some problem, brother, every time? Why you love so much problem? Why? One and problem. Every day we have to cuss?
Yes, because you took up a Barbie and want to treat me like a ghetto.
Me treat you like a ghetto.
Me tired of mackerel, black sugar, tough crackers. Me tired of them. Me want pork, lobster, fish, shrimp.
You provide.
Mutton.
Hold on, you provide. If you accept
Is it that what you made for?
Sorry, just a minute. Me no need to eat. But you know no business. But me a come to you as a real, yeah? You see all of this? You work more than that. No man not supposed to treat you so.
How me I treat her? You don't know nothing about
Yeah,
that.
One
me
come
hear
feed
what
me
she
for
say.
mackerel.
And that with
All
with
black
people who
sugar.
love hear people business and yeah, go talk. You know what?
Black sugar and give me this morning with tough
You feel
crackers.
do better than that, man. You can't
Oh,
touch
give me
an
energy.
Since now when I don't want to talk and having a conversation, I go bum this. Thank you. Alright.
No man not to treat you so my love. Your standards was higher than that. But when you black tea
Black
hour?
sugar, Nivo tea, black sugar and tough crackers.
Oh my. Not even me will look to me man now me them there. Left that, honestly. But me I go take my leave you now still because me no want he come back and do me nothing.
I don't even that alone, girl. From the moment me movie with him in a piece of matches stick. He not that beat me, man to cut down on my back.
Oh gosh, and
Look there,
and
look
you
there,
really
look
stay
there.
with it. Oh, No, do better than that. No. Why you not left? Why you have a making stay? Why?
We don't know what make me keep on and go back.
So you tired or something then?
It looks so.
No.
It come like him time in the island mackerel.
Do better than that, my love. It's time for you to go. Nobody not supposed to put their hand on you.
True enough. True. You have to know your work.
You're supposed to know it from day one. You never need me if you can't tell you.
Alright, thanks. People business ain't got mine, you know.
Hi. Why are you in such a hurry?
And my sister walk well left me, and I go say she walk well left me.
Oh, hey son, so hot and you have walk and miserable yourself, so?
I threw me home and she came and get something to eat.
Oh.
So she me I look for.
Where you come from?
Oh, that's it. No, one.
Alright, say this?
Yes.
I live like 2 blocks down from here, though.
Oh,
It just moved, come here.
yeah.
You can see, man, like your house just fill up once.
And my house and my sister house, master.
Oh, it's a good door.
Yeah, I'm good. You good?
Yeah, man, it look nice door. I like to know, yes.
You don't have a woman?
No, so I'm single. No, nobody.
But are you single?
I'm single for sure.
I don't believe that one, I believe say you have a woman.
I believe that?
Yeah.
Why you believe that? I mean, do I look handsome?
Yeah, which nowadays man you know and I have no woman?
Me.
Stop tell lie you have woman. You could have beat woman too.
Listen, me don't have. Oh, me? Me not beat a man.
No, nobody would have beat me.
Me
Nobody
not
but
beat.
abuse
Me
me.
not beat a man. Listen, me is a good gentleman. Yeah, me love him. Me not beat a man. But I never put me hand for a woman.
And that don't see a woman dead now. A different things happen.
Listen, only if a woman draw out a man and go reach to a limit when you go touch her.
No, walk away. No, you can't do that. Just walk away from
But
problems.
if you have a walkway,
Mhm.
she go want to draw you back in there. So woman will just determine and say, oh, you have to turn us and listen to what me I say and pull you back. So
See, you don't listen to the boy and say, woman can talk and you walk away.
you turn up and listen to him and say.
Yes, me talk to you. So say me and you there now. I may talk to you about a situation. You dey go walk away?
But if I cuss me now, I stand there.
If I cuss me, I cuss you sit down and listen to me what me they say. It's not to what me I say.
I
No
say you
move.
and go and say and you feel like you go and lick me too.
Me not put me hand on nobody boy pick me.
You sure about that?
Yes, nobody put me hand on me
So
like
you talk fast like you all fix him in your mouth quicker than
No.
you even see.
no, me just start cross over.
So your name?
My name Kayla.
Kayla, your name?
Yeah, your name
Name Fletcher.
Fletcher. You sound like a thief. Your name Fletcher.
Not me, I'm parents saying give me the name, they don't like some beggy.
Oh. So what I live?
I live down the road down there somewhere.
Oh, I done that. So me I go still, you know. I
Oh.
go look for my sister.
Road I'm saying I go try to do one thing, you know? We can meet again Sunday, right?
I made them meet I go.
So no one if you know me. I'm say you're a nice female, but I like to take you out. You
We'd
know?
have to see about that one day. You don't even have phone, can't take the number.
I need to bring my phone with me, you know, because I see when I go, I know. There's enough people there somewhere, I mean, nobody come.
No thief, not up here, so.
You're sure you're just moving in the neighborhood and it's...
No, let no thief up here, no let no thief up here. Come and give me number, remember it's in your head.
Alright,
568 28 73. Remember?
remember.
Okay, bye.
Alright, take care now.
Yeah,
Hope you find a sister.
she not last.
Oh, she
She just walk well left me.
Alright.
Yeah.
Chinese, imagine send me up this hour with fine, brother. I don't you say that. Y'all drink drinks. Where you get drinks from? Who give money?
Man.
What?
A man.
Man give money.
Yes.
Thank you. Yo, get up. Stop ram, brother. Let me. Stop playing me out. You make man look like an idiot turn up this and boy, you're Barbie. You're Barbie.
Sis, you can't be here really walk well left me.
Never me tell you to take so long for come on.
But me tell me I come. No, sir. I'm the fish if you tell us things. What about that? You can't really do. Get ready, go let me talk. Probably if you wear for me, it wouldn't work out.
So what happened, sir?
I meet one guy and he seems nice.
Oh, really? No.
Yeah. But tell him lie. Tell him lie, say. Well, so if I tell you where I come from, I tell you nice up there with the big wall over there. Up there. But you don't know that me can't tell me exactly where me live. I'm telling you, I feel house and you live there, I just come here.
So you basically tell like on me then? I know
Not
the person.
really.
I know the person. What name? Not even the person name.
Fletcher.
Fletcher?
Yes. Fletcher, you say his name.
I don't know no Fletcher.
Well, me don't know, you know.
I know, but I feel you big man now, boy, you go meet new person, you come and tell. Remember, say, maybe bigger than you, and that become bigger than you by 1 year.
And 1 year apart, a year, 1 year.
Yeah, but still, you're a kid. You're not ready for a man.
Oh, me not really me have a little boyfriend. Me old school, you know, me not go to school.
Just make sure say you can sustain it and you're living.
Money is not everything. Money is not everything. If I'm hungry, I never know I'm like that. We don't even have relationship, they go work.
And you don't know like that time you see that tell you which part you live, how the part they go.
You hear me tell us what I say?
Yeah, but you basically tell one like suppose he come and look for you over that day, yeah, they know and go find out whatever.
You know,
They
find out
make
whatever.
that. How you know that?
We don't even think he know me. I don't know. I don't know. Me just attack somebody. Yes, that's why I'm glad I never did it.
You're not really smart for that one this day, but as I say, you have to know what you do. And next time don't tell no like say your sister own up with saying when they say so don't own now. That's not good.
So that we know we want to say.
Yeah, but you can't carry no man come here unless he might come here to renovate here. No, apart from that, he cannot come here. And try, even if you come here, try to make me know.
What do you mean? Me not I bring him come here.
You know, if you come here overall, so you're supposed to know that. I don't need to put that in your ears. Come on, man. So tell me more about you. Give me a brief description.
I'm going to tell you something. He here twine up. He kind of thickish, but he's short. And he twist up.
You have beard?
Yes. Oh, you're the right answer. Yes. And he's black. He's not brown, he's black.
You know, say me literally pass one man and me come up beside argue with the woman one day for that the same man they are talking.
No. If you want to say I have no woman.
Oh,
single.
The lady all tell me about how the man a beat him and so like my energy just changed from the man right there and then. Me I say he's not supposed to do that.
So the man a beat him and he say the man?
Yes, but
the man can't beat me.
Listen, sometimes we just don't have no other way out. Because she even look like she have no family members that can guard her in the right way.
So she look back her yard.
Me ask her that she said she a go some bag or something. Right. I don't know yeah, what to tell you. But make sure you say you don't pick up no man and say so. I'm going to meet this person who you claim to say you meet today. And see
Yeah, he's like a nice person.
and if me feel him out, I don't like him, I go tell you. And when I tell you nobody feel, yeah, I just my opinion.
No, I'm not feeling away. If I don't like him, I just see your parents. I'm saying you are there with him and me.
Yeah, what a yell came from my house, so what a part they go.
Him have a yard, me kind of yard.
Just let me know when I mean kill you. Well, not you know what I mean when I say so, because I'm older than you, so obviously I need to put the go. Yeah.
But we soon, I know what I'm about. Never been number, which is.
So I'm not going to do that. Oh, they just.
I just know I mean live in the area. I don't go back on the road. So
You live in the area and the first year I meet him and look how much time we have about there, so how the party go?
But every time I go up,
You sure no lie, I tell you?
Me don't know if I lie, me just know me don't know nothing about him, you know?
Come on, you need to be more smart. The teacher better than this.
If you know what I got, me don't know. You just me I go look for it, come here.
Alright. Look at food you left back in my house, I can't just see you. Okay, so I'm going to leave you.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah.
I have to tell you more. You don't must know more.
And if God give you people mind for read, you can read it. You can't read them, it says that you talk, you love me alone.
Fine.
Me I take breeze.
Look on the yard. I could even rake up the yard.
Me come here for do that. Me did come here for real, yeah.
You're not there. You're not live here.
Nope. Me only sleep here. Not even near me.
I think look at tea and make crack and give me.
You know you're never fit.
You know say. You come like you like when me do things. I like when me do things. Because every day I talk about this and you still do it over and over, you know, learn. Me I talk to you, look for me when me I talk to you.
And if me not look, juke them out.
You coach the guy them.
You
Stop
me
playing
have
me.
strength now, you hear? Me
You
have
strength.
strength
You
now.
have strength.
Me
You
not
have
hungry
strength.
again. Me
You
belly
have
full,
strength.
don't lick me.
Stop it back and from when I talk to you. Stop ramping me, you. Stop ramping me, yeah. Yo, me I go up on the road now, you, and make sure something look both, you hear me say? Stop it balling, brother. Me get nothing for ball for. Yo.
Got me hard.
Go with yard. Go with yard. I say yard turn. I know that. Let me come back in there. Anywhere you go, me, I'll find you. You hear that? No, sit down, man.
You girl.
My name no you girl, my name is Vera.
And then my tongue,
What happened to you?
beat me again.
Me not tell us, listen, it's either you left or you go buy a casket. Can you hear me I tell you? And me tell you from before me give you look at advice what happened to what me tell you say. Oh, we came gas station? What you want to do?
You can move on.
Come, you want me follow you go back and place or what? So what you mean by no, you go stay? You alone are go through pressure again in go lick when you know so you move out, so what you go do?
I'm gonna move on and gonna work.
Don't be crying. Everything's really tired. Come out there, son. Come here, I have to go teach you 2 ropes again. Alright? So you see you go do. Okay,
Boy.
when you leave out, make sure you say unaware, you know? Or at least you have a look at escape people or something or nice sleep. And you can always look him back when he must sleep.
Big and thick and
That's why I say when he must sleep, you now go already take one pot cover and clot him done. All of that is supposed to do. Not making you feel like you have too much strength over you as much as he's bigger than you in a body. Alright? Make sure you say no and just come say no, make sure you say you understand what I say to you. You want to take my number or nothing saying that you can call me and tell
You
me.
piece of phone and buy me and take it back.
No man, this I get from bad to worse. For seeing and feed a good and everything in by him and take it back with me. Mama man know him this so. No, I want him to your family, you know nobody where you can call her. No. Oh gosh, give me a hug. Right now I feel sorry for you. So you go, yeah? It's alright. So what you did I have
That's good on the road.
Alright, come and me follow you so that's if you can't trouble this. Listen to me now. Me pass something down the road, right? I don't want that happen to you. So here me I tell you, see whichever party I go, me I go to the back of your pee clock. Alright, come I don't want no man to beat you and abuse you and go like they want to come take advantage of you. And make sure you hear when me talk. Can you see when you first tell me about this man you go on.
How me that go on?
Say about how you did go on. As me I say, make sure you say never time I go somewhere you tell me because I don't want nobody to go on like they want to come abuse you. All of them something they wrong.
Nobody not abuse me.
How you know that? Because I know you can't introduce me to the person where you so-called meet with you. And I know say no been at all. Suppose I said person that the girl they say I abuse him or something. Actually you don't even know how I feel if you girl me see girl a ball and everything.
I don't him.
How you know that for sure? And
Can
he
you
said,
say I'm not man?
listen, you can't believe a man say me have more experience than you know when me hear you need to listen. Because it's like everything I go through 1 year and come out through other. And then if you understand say you love and I protect you, that's why me have to behave so with you.
Yeah, but you just come so they shut off for me. They have
Because I feel upset over the whole situation with the girl. She don't have no type of guidance and I know say me there you and you don't want to listen to me when me talk.
Well, I share the idiot, not me. Me and somebody beat me. Anybody beat me, I beat them back. My hand up on my mother. I beat them back.
Listen, before you retaliate, you can tell me I could go down the station together because I don't want you getting a no farm of danger or anything like that. I don't want you getting a no trouble, alright?
Yeah.
All my thought just don't say, look me and look out for you. You
Yeah,
don't have no
me
problem
know.
if you have a little boyfriend, but me no want them put their hand on you or nothing like that.
As
Because
me
when girl
say-
I go through, it's totally wrong.
As me say, nobody now put no hand on me.
Make sure now you not just tell me if me feel good. Because it's a
No,
different
why
story
me go
when me say
hide?
I get licked.
Where me go hide? Where me go hide? If a boy think them bad put their hand on me, they will be sure what me made of. Me not say nobody but abuse me. I'm just me have you. If the boy beat me, me just say me can't fight him. I come call you. You better back me. If I you, me da back you. Cause you come and say content, me must stay back on me PP clock. So like you back on me PP clock. Nobody cannot beat or abuse me. Cause you do the
That's
PP
no.
clock.
Here's the thing. If you listen to me, you're not gonna go into the situation in the first place because I would have done tell her. They say, alright then, this a person you're not good, so just stay far from them. So
Okay.
you would have had is make it go and get the let them and come to me to help for help. Okay?
Yeah, me can go show you. Me can go show him.
Of course, I want to meet this so-called person who you've been a talk to.
Okay.
Why more do one know who?
Okay, come on.
Come.
Come.
Yes, sir. Where you go? Where you go?
Me
Back
I go
there,
home.
back. Home. How you come like you're mad? Go with home.
My home.
You tell us you can't live. You tell us you can't live.
I'm going home.
You're not going nowhere, brother. Brother, I want to you. Where I go? Where I go?
Let me. Because right now,
What?
me know where station there.
I have to go answer me.
I'm going home. And even if you never let me, I'm still a go station. Bye.
So go to station for.
They abuse me, abuse me.
Police they are there. Can't let police come in here.
Walk up, kaya wala kang walk up.
Why you boy?
You come to watch, so you go, you move like say,
No, shut up.
you're a virgin football.
I know what kind of son God give me. Say all you and your sister. You can come down. I said we can manage to come.
Your mom tell say, me need want come on over for a man. You can't do it by yourself, so the way you want me back at you, me I walk. Yo, brother.
You're the only man in my life.
Hey, me do
You
in
must
your
have back
life.
your mother's
I'm not
side.
in your life. Listen, me in your life, lady. Me do in your life. Me not in your life. Never want to come in and say in your first place. Never want to come in and say.
You talk about that and you talk about that. Just make sure say anytime I done wash and make me money. You know, not for eat after. I never get none. Not for eat.
What you say? Say I try to tell me, say now you go stop me. Hey, you see, if me come home and me not see no food for me, hey, they kill you. Hey, I will beat you. Hey, I will on your head, me a tape. Hey, me a tell you. I will make sure so me come home get food for you. Hey, I will beat you. Hey, take some. Me want. Every time me want can't like you. Want to my sister, you can't come to.
Look at boy, I'm telling you this.
Shut up.
I don't remember what scripture say. You must obey your parents so your days may be long. I'm gonna think so you're gonna live long neither. Rank and feisty. Like a bad breed pooper.
Yeah, Marcella. Yeah, man, you deal with the thing here? Yeah, man, I down on the river. The river, I'm sure it's another buy, man. The piece of property where the river is from. Marcella, I'm soon call about. Like somebody have come on the property already. Alright, yeah. Hello?
Hi.
You know, this is a private property, right?
Well, if I never know at least, I know now.
I own this property.
You do?
I own this property here.
This property?
By law, I own the land, but I won't try to own the river. But you know, exactly you have to walk on my property to come on the river.
Okay.
But she, our lady, me not really charge it through, so. You don't wash at home, you don't water at home?
Well, sometimes. Just a little washing job, you know?
Oh, so you get any kids?
Well, yeah. A son and a daughter.
Oh, so how is it, how old is the daughter, matter of fact?
She's just 17.
Wow.
My son is just 15.
Like. That sound good. That sound good. So can I come over sometime? Get to know you better.
I don't know. You want that?
Listen. You know if you the one that I asked me one, listen. I want to take care of your bills. I want you to come to the river and wash. I want to get you a washing machine. Pay your well living. Own house or rent house.
Rentals.
Exactly. I can pay your bills.
I just see a stranger and want to do all those stuff for me. You're that kind?
You don't worry about
For
that.
real?
An angel like you. Yeah, definitely. I'll do anything for you.
So where you go want in return? Cause men these days, them not so kind. Them not so kind. Them ever look something in return.
Yeah, by right, me understand that. Me understand everybody shall get what they want in return. You don't expect a woman to get out of a man. And the man can't get nothing out of the woman. It's either the woman have to work for the man or the woman have to give the man look after the cookie in the jar. You're looking?
Cookie still the man.
Oh.
So you have a girlfriend?
No, I'm a single man, you know.
I'm single too, you know.
For real?
Yeah.
So you can start come to the yard and meet the kids and see how they look and things, you know?
Alright.
So hold on, do you have a number?
Yeah.
to give me a number, no?
Alright. You ready?
Yeah, man.
1876
Mm-hmm.
219
Mm-hmm.
3727. My name is Jane.
Okay, Jane.
What's your name, by the way? Didn't get your name.
I'm David.
David.
With the M. David Money. Why you laughing? No, for real. Why you laughing?
Oh God, you made my day. Yeah.
No, don't laugh, man. Cause listen, let me tell you something. You see, my mother loved my father so much, and my father left him when he in her belly, you know. And my mother still go put me in her last name, you know. So you know what me do now? When my mother tell me this story, I go pay some money and change it to money. I put my last name as money. I'm not keeping my father's last name. You see, once you go left me in her belly, you're not supposed to be my father. Money is my father. Money is my lover. So if you want to enjoy my money, just come to me.
I'm feeling handsome. Let's see if you feel like money the funny.
Feel it. Yeah. Like it. Want
Yes,
to know your daughter though still, yeah? So I'm going to come visit you.
You want to know my daughter?
No more see how big she be. I think your phone
Call
is
my
ringing.
phone, please. It could be emergency call. Hurry.
I have a meeting to go, okay? I'm going to wash my foot good because I get out of it to wash my
Hello.
I'll visit you soon, okay?
Alright, honey. Mr. Money,
Yeah.
you gonna call me?
I'm going to call you.
Alright. Hello. Slippery. Ah. Who that? Come in now. Well, close. Come on.
Where's your going now?
One day for watch man. Nobody a call my father one place, you know. We
You
just
want to
come.
have a seat?
The seat, they show me bed. People not sit down on bed.
Sure, I just gonna be talking. Talk. So I think so.
Alright.
Have a seat.
Well then tell them to check you, but you know my last name, right?
You know your last name?
Yeah, my last name is Wealthy. Right? Wealthy. Yeah. So my father did so I say go on, you know. Then tell me say you have something to sell. I would probably, I don't know. I don't like the talking. I don't talk. What? Is it combo?
Well,
Why so much man not do our work? I don't like one place. Listen me. I don't want to make no noise in here. I mean no noise and no want to do a listening. Be a chatting out the door. I don't like it.
don't let them. They're
Alright,
outside
anyway.
minding their own business.
They know me?
No,
Hope so.
I doubt it.
I don't want my name go back round because a man of stature. People look up to me. Yeah, they look up to me. So you know what? Because your business that way you do, people are talk about what you say you are going something wrong, yeah. So I don't want them to say, oh, Me I come around here too. Someone just do me a go and cut. So how you go? What price?
Alright, price start from all the way at 10,000 upwards.
No, me not talk 4 woman one time. Me talk you alone. You alone me talk. Me know say when you have multiple women, it go up to the price there. But
I said it's 10,000, we can always negotiate. If you have maybe like 6,500, 7,500, that can work. But my price is 10,000, the minimum.
Alright, listen me say now.
Says either that or neither.
What you gonna do? How about you? You have 10,000. Much zero behind it. 1, 2, 3. Much zero. 3, 0, and 10. Wait, now, no worry, I have a math screen. How about you knock off 2 of the 0 them? Half I don't knock off 2. Knock off, if you knock off 1 of the 0 them, how much you end up with? That's too much too. If you knock off 1 of the 0 them then. And then we can talk. We can come here, but normally when the girl them want come a bridge at 1,500. So carry down to 1,000.
Excuse me?
1,000. Because end of the day you will feel good. And like, if I have to give you some money and you just bring your teeth and say, I like it feel good. You have to make my money. You don't feel good in my process if I pay you. So anyway, start at 1,000. So here what? Look at that wrong place. I will keep my money until later in the night. I go to the bridge.
No, like right here, you just stay. It's fine, You're here, let's just mess up.
I can come for the bed workout something, man. Come in, man.
This one.
Alright. Bargain is a bargain. It's 1,000. It deserves a little more because you do the extra things then. But anyway. One time number fuck. Give me back card, so. It's $350. Right? So here now. I owe you the balance. Me balance you. Yo, I'm a man of my word. I'm Mr. Wealth. Right? I balance you. How much money now? I don't know much. 775. How much? No, I can't remember this. No money in pockets. Normally, as somebody is on the bridge, I owe some of my time. But I pay my bill. I'm very good. Don't never ask. My name speak for itself. Go down there, ask. So
the first time you're stopping, the first time you're home.
That's good business.
So I never told me before.
Listen now, business is business and pleasure is pleasure. You cannot mix business with pleasure. You're mixing it here, so can you give me pleasure and doing business same time? It's not a good business. But anyway, see, I have more client there. So you use this here, fresh up yourself by Fabudi and whatever, soap wash out, wash out, turn it down. When them see how people are calling, more than people are calling. No, but you know, listen to me. I go give.
You're very disrespectful.
This year is not your payment. So you see a whole pakala. What I thought come here differently. This is free. But I will carry 1,000 come here. Yeah? Yeah, hurry. Just do your thing. Yeah, you're going good. You're going good. Alright. I don't understand why I have to walk like that. So I couldn't meet the kids down at the front. Why they are not here?
One is here by the way.
Who, your daughter? Oh.
I sent her in the room to do a little errand for me.
Oh.
My son is inside.
No, I feel so. No, don't. It's your daughter more, isn't it? Everything good, no?
Well, Not really, but me just there go and live.
Live life out.
Live, just live.
Another time you see your wash. Yeah, man here?
No, me just the wash work.
Oh, you do wash work?
Yeah, remember when I meet me, look, they met me by the river. I want to see you, remember?
I meet you by the river.
Down there.
Yeah, man. Oh, if you're a whole man, though, you have young panty. Or a perfume wash work.
It's mine, man.
Wow. So, when I'm gonna get to meet your daughter, I wanna see my stepdaughter, you know.
You want to see your stepdaughter?
Yeah, I want to know her. I can't be hiding every time you come here in front of the box. It's like, we don't understand. Why? Why can't meet the family?
Everything takes time. Every single thing in life takes time. Even sun and darkness take time sometimes.
Okay. I understand. I understand definitely. I understand, you know.
So what's up?
I'm here, you know. Children, so what's going on though differently? Anything good?
Well, as I said, not really. Not really, but I'm still alive and well. As I can see, no pain. You understand me? Not really 100, but things could be worse. Things could be worse. Things could be worse.
Okay. I like that. So, can I stick around till your daughter come or?
Why not? Why not? Why not?
I can go later inside, you know. Oh boy. I wish you did younger, but that's not gonna feel, you know. Morning, Jane.
Morning.
So your daughter, there you go.
Yes, she's inside. What's the problem?
Alright, I come to talk to you because it seems like you don't really understand me. As me I say now, your daughter, you know so she will definitely want me, don't want you.
What? You put a joke. What you mean by is my daughter I definitely want, you don't want me? What's that supposed to mean? Huh? What's that supposed to mean?
Listen, you're too old. I rather wait till your daughter 20. I rather spend money for her until she's 20, then me and her go live together.
I'm in my 25. What may I do with you? If I was in my 32 now, I would take you up. But when I'm in my 25, you have to leave me to the younger ones. Them. When I'm 32, I would decide to take you up. That time, if you were like 58, 59, 60, and I'm 32, that could work. Because at least I'm half the age. But you double me. You understand?
Well, there's nothing here to understand. First of all, my daughter is a child. And for you to get my daughter, that seems impossible. So it's either you take me, right, until whenever you want her, you get her, or you just forget about it. Can be done so we have to have a boss and old. Age is just a number. Age is just a number. It's about maturity. My daughter is out of this. So if you want me there so. Me there right here so.
Huh? Alright, here I know. More left here now, you see all these bills. The water bill, the light bill, the rent bill, food bill, Santa Claus bill. You see when they have sense, you call me because more know why you don't use your head before you talk. You know, I know work. Remember saying no, you have to just tell 1 and 2 6 for the side, you know, and that not help because of $1,500. I broke. That not help. You have to go to 20 man if you can pay them the bill there. And by the every 2 man you pop down because you're old. So you know what? When I send you call me for.
Alright, come here.
No, we can't talk now.
So I'm gonna call them, we don't have a number. How can I style that?
Morning, Mom.
Morning. Want me?
I drink tea though.
My favorite coffee, black coffee.
Oh, beg me come beg your money still. And the money for company will buy my girlfriend something.
You want a what?
Money, I want some money.
You know, you're wicked. Sometimes I can't even find food for you and your sister to eat. Much less you have the audacity, but you want money to buy something for girlfriend.
Oh,
Yeah, but you're 15, 16.
You must give me some allowance.
First of all, you don't need a girlfriend. You don't need a girlfriend.
So we need.
You don't need a girlfriend.
So we need.
You need Jesus.
You need Jesus.
I don't have any money. I don't have it. But girlfriend.
I bet if you she can't say that yard.
What? Forgot mine, man. You look at head.
So.
Just go and go sweep up the yard. The place won't clean. I don't see that.
Alright, Mom. Come on, reason now. Right? You did plan for me? Because I see you say young youth them with feed them woman. Right? I do feed them thing with feed them woman. And me no have no woman. So I'm no special, I'm no somebody pick it up. Me no somebody pick it up.
You want to know the truth? No, me never planned for you. One night, me I come in from church, and me say this black ugly man, I demand my body, and me say no. And he just hold me down and take it and just jump out just like that, like Aki Peg. Me never planned for you. Me never want no more pitney. After that one, the papa breed me. Me never want no more child. So you just appear. Me never planned for you. But say your friend this and other people this and about girlfriend. You can't even spell girlfriend. Those things are expensive. Leave it alone. To manhood, you're a child. You can't mind woman. Woman expensive. Very. I look for me too.
That you talk about here. My father, a bad man, so he running in blood. You see, hey, I will beat you, see. No matter if your mother, hey, I will give you some money, you woman, not blame me, you know. So anyway, if you find money from, you go find it. Rent us, I will burn it down. Yeah? I will burn down every last side. You can find money, hey, don't blame me, no lady. Don't blame me, you know. Alright, we done chat.
And that, bunny done. Since you bill it, and you pay rent, bunny done. If I think you're bad, try it. You must be sick in your head. You think you burnt me? Lick. Look, boy. Go on, get up, girl, on the saw. Get up.
Don't touch me.
Get up, go tidy the kitchen.
Tidy which kitchen? You look at it? Hey, lady. Hey, emergency are you this, alright? You say never lose emergency are you this. Hey, look.
Hey!
Hey, step in your face, you see woman. Hey.
You know?
Let me. Stop playing me now, man.
What is not this?
Hey,
So because of one woman, you have to step in your... Because of one woman.
Sefe.
What a sudden destruction.
Never play spin. Cushion down for your face.
Hey! Like father, like son. Morning. Wow, what a good boy. Not really, but
I'm coming since my brother and I was partying in there.
Damien, girl, that piece of trash, I can't describe him. Him just left from here. The boy come here, want come in and talkings with me. Want come fight me up in the but never mind that. What's up with you?
You know, see something I can check about though. I have SBA come up. I'm gonna need chef hat, I'm gonna need apron and something there. Roughly 120 grand everything will cost. And kind of feel hungry and no want something to eat.
Boy, to be honest with you, Brittany, things very hard. I don't really have the money now, but I'm gonna try my best so I can get the money. So just give me like a few hours up to 2 day time so I can just put 1 or 2 things together and get to the money. I don't have a payment now, but make me work money.
You talk about 2 day time. Today is Saturday and on Monday I want something to do. I have to get them by Monday. I'm hungry right now, I'm not eating nothing for a morning. From last night I didn't eat.
Right now, I don't really have anything in the house. I just piece of pumpkin and yam. You can't eat with high, or if you want sardine did it.
I don't want to eat. So I want to the rich man David.
Alright, so David know that man after him always I come here and I give him money and stuff like that and his attention. I sort of think say want me in a girl, but him come to me one different last week as a matter of fact and confess say him no want me, I'm too old for him. Him say you him want my daughter. Him say him interested in you. So me I say you're too young as him can see. So him say we'll wait until about 20. Till that 20 so him can maybe talk to you or whatever. So you can have sex on him something there.
You're too old, but mommy, that is true because I think I'm around 25 or so. And you're old, you're very old. You can't deal with such a young man, mommy. I don't want my stepfather so young. No, sir, that can't work. You're too old for that, mommy. You need to get an older man.
Alright, now about me and my age. Let's just think about the future. Him say want you, right? And right now, we want money. So you can talk to him. If you even don't want him, just pretend. I remember say I always want to become an actress, you know, so talk to him and get some money and think about your future. You can always go to college, you know. Or if you don't want that, as time goes by, we can always just ship a girl for him, not to know that. You can stay with the auntie. Better life for me and you and your brother, all them so rank and feisty.
I don't want to become like a you because all they do a con man money. I don't want to con the money. Take him man money and I don't want him. Mama, there's something that don't nice. Because in a longer run, I'll come and stay like you. You're there, you know, sit down and have no money. If I can man and stay, so you know, turn it down. Then turn it down, man. I don't want nobody have nothing about me. Or nobody have nothing over me. About me condemn and me this and me that. No. If I want the man, I want the man. And I want him. I don't want to con him. I want him if I have a relationship with him.
Yeah, come Tabo, you don't want to be like me and Tabo, me can man. And them can me. Can you imagine say, me I try to get employment, it not working. They must say, oh, man have the looks. A girl like you, they want to in them facility for employ because you're pretty and you're beautiful, my daughter. Me go through much schooling. High school with much subjects, including maths and English. Gone nursing school, teaching college, and yet still nothing. Them know what employ me, them say me have the looks. Me have the qualification, yes, but nothing behind that. Me just there, you come talk about say me a con man.
Mommy.
And them a con me, them a con me.
Mommy, it's not all about the looks, okay? Look here. Maybe how you deal with people. Because you deal with people bad. Your face the body, your rank. That might tell me say, you, Damien take care of, I don't father. Mommy, you just need to understand. Me don't say truth hurts no, but if you have to go hurt you, you have to understand and learn, mommy. I want something before Monday. If me not get them, I don't know what me I go do. At least me go there with the rich man and move out to your house.
If you want to move out, or move in, or in out, I don't really care right now. You say you want the money, I said to you, I'm going to work on it so I can get the money before Monday, by Monday morning, 2 days time at least.
Look here, please.
So if you can't wait, you just can't wait.
Me can't wait. Simple as that, me cannot wait. And since you actually want to move out, I want to move it, me going to move out. I'm not going to stay with it because of feasty. After me, I plan future for me and you so you can have a better life.
What way you plan future? What way?
Forget money, so me can't take care of you, but you too feisty, me can't talk to you, mommy, later.
Why you can't face the can't go on?
Me can't talk to you right now, so you have to suffer.
The blood of Jesus against you, girl.
Against you, not against
Go on, shut my mouth.
Don't touch
No, because I reached 17, I think so you're an adult. You're a child.
I don't care. Yeah, my mother is supposed to provide. I want to send me go there with the rich man. The rich man provide for me. Don't do it.
I'm not saying you, Mr. You have a choice. You can. I'm not saying you.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes?
What's up?
Then, oh, James, sir.
What?
James?
Yes, she's same one.
So you want one and you want son young, so?
What?
We are trying to son young, so.
Alright, more want to talk to you. It's very urgent. You understand?
Alright.
You can come over the house now.
I'll be there in a sec.
You sure?
Sure, man.
Alright, don't keep me waiting.
Alright.
Alright, cool. What is it?
Alright.
Let me call you back here. I have a visitor.
Son visitor, no son-in-law. So I go differently. You make up your mind?
I have good news. I've been thinking about the offer and I think it's a great idea. You understand? My daughter normally likes slim guys, you know, so you can try your luck. She should be inside. We can call her out if I want to go into her room and talk to her and so. And push your luck. You can always do that. But I wish you all the best and you have my blessing.
Boy, you finally make a great year tell her the right thing, right? No, I understand. So I say she not know?
Yes. But one more thing though. Between you and you. I can tell you?
Sure.
Alright. You know what I say? I'm single. I know you want still, so don't worry about that.
Oh, come
my
on.
daughter.
No.
I know you want.
Yeah, man, you're single.
I
and-
graduated from your rejection long time. You know what I mean? I don't want you.
Right.
I'm single and I need a man. Somebody sensible. You understand? I'm single and I need somebody.
A man in them 40s, right?
That's That's a good age. You can work. I'm a normal attracted to older guys. But if a young guy come, I'll work with it.
No. Young guy, not gonna work. Unless them in them 30 years. But for now, 40 work for you. You already agree. You can't take a young boy. Can you manage a young boy?
Why not?
A young boy will shift your organs.
Alright, I know my daughter, you were talking about what you're saying, or my son. So, I'm going to call her for you, but before you do that, my dad look a video with me, so I can post it, so person can know some see me, so I can make it a look of mine. I don't want to use a phone. The iPhone now?
I use your phone because I don't want it on my phone, you know. So when you're ready,
I'm not saying turn the other way.
what I'm going to look like in your 20s when you're in your 50. Yeah, let me see, so yeah. Alright, speak your speech.
Hi, my name is Jane Lewis. I've been single for the past 6 months and I need someone. So if you're single and need a female, you can reach out to me. I'm attracted to dark guys, but it doesn't really matter right now. I just need someone who will love me for me and be there. So if I want to reach out to me, my number is 1-876-219-3727. That's my number. So just call me or WhatsApp me and let's just stay in touch. I really need a man. Single. I'm a good woman as well. Alright. Bye.
Out.
Peace.
You know what is a lie? You single for 6 months? 6 years you're single for. What is? Hey, call out the daughter. I can't believe you.
Brittany?
I can't believe you.
Brittany! Come here, my daughter. Emergency! Come now.
No, do it. Don't do that.
Yep. Hi.
Wow. Look pretty nice, your mother do.
Thank you.
What? Your mother tell us to have me a new man, right?
Well, not about her right now, it's about me.
Okay, I'm here to take care of your needs.
Should I leave or should I stay?
No, come on, let's go in.
I'm gonna stay.
Go, my daughter.
Stop in this.
Where's some money? So, where your brother is?
My brother in there for a win.
So, I guess your mother tell everything, right? They're going to take care of you until you're 20, then we'll move you out.
Yeah. Well, shut up about me like that. But otherwise from that day, we can't know our relationship. I'm not busy with she wants to know about we, not about she.
Okay, no problem. So, and the things you have to take care of, you just write it down and I will deal with it.
Well, I have something I want to take care of still. I need an apron and chef hat and something for go to school Monday, which today is Saturday. I'm gonna need them by Monday. Mother can't say she can't afford them.
So, how much it costs?
Roughly 20 grand.
Oh, no problem, man. That's cheap. Because the last girl tell me, they have 50 grand for them there.
50?
50 grand.
And it include me fear and something. My fear in it.
No worry. You see, if you tell me the honest truth, I'm going to give you 30 grand.
Okay.
So you take care of that. So otherwise, I'm going to eat from morning.
I wish.
Right?
No, at all.
Alright, I'll give you $5,000 to go and buy food at a restaurant and eat.
Okay.
Otherwise, than that, so I think I left my wallet in the car, you know. No worry, everything good. I have my wallet with me.
Alright.
So, is there anything else?
No. We're good from that. Otherwise from that.
Alright.
Yeah.
And your brother stop? Oui.
No about that.
I come here one morning. When I used to know your mother, you know, and I sit right in there and I get my backside wet. So that's how I find out.
So consider that because room would have rain right now. One room would have rain.
So, I'm gonna go outside in the car and get the money, you know.
Alright.
And come back. Again, I respect you for that, you know.
Alright.
I respect you, I appreciate you for that. Where are you?
May I come? No, cause. Sure.
I like that you're being safe, you know?
Yeah.
Alright, so.
Hey.
That cool right too.
Thank you.
Alright, so I want to see my way out. I want to talk to you, man. I feel cool.
Alright.
Alright, take care.
Alright.
No, have no man.
No.
That's all. It's the one thing I know, man. Everything cover.
I won't.
Okay.
Alright. Can you go to my friend in my school and go?
Alright, Jim. I tell you the truth. I feel like that one never work. You got to like me already, you know?
She like you?
But I'm sorry, if it is young now, I could have given you some of me.
No, worry about that. Just pray for Mrs. Mother reach out to me.
I'll pray for you, you know, because
I really need a man.
you need 100 prayers, and me alone can't pray. You have to pray for yourself. Never you let people pray for you, yeah? You have to pray for yourself mostly. You can't ask me if I pray for you, you know. Me only can give you a little advice. I can pray, but you have to pray for yourself more. Because me can pray one time and I remember you. So you have to pray. What are you looking for? Me need that every money I have in my wallet. I have to go to the bank. Don't look at me, Jane. Jane, you're too old. I am paying the bills, that's all. I'm buying food in here. I can't give you pocket money now. The pocket money go to your daughter. Anything she need, she get more. You, me make a video for you, publish it. You go find a man and a man guy want you. A dark skin guy say one, no problem, I'm not a
Dark skin, tall, preferably.
Don't use my height, because it won't be me. But anyway, dark skin guy, yeah, you won't get that.
Thanks for coming.
You look bad.
Sis,
No.
this is my cologne.
Which cologne?
My cologne.
No?
You can't find me.
So I ask you.
You know, say, me see. You think me don't know, say, I carry money all the time.
No, mind your business. Mind your business.
My business. I'm going to tell mommy. Sorry, you forgot to mommy already. I collect money after each one for you already.
But I chat too much.
That no say.
And if you might not want this with me,
That no say, you can't.
keep by your mouth.
That no say. You can't carry the money in the place. I know say mommy already I do something for you already.
What happened there is no man?
Why?
Must can't get no girl.
You can't satisfy me.
So you can't get no girl at business. So don't say nothing.
It will go this morning.
You can grab a delicious. Where's the name? Clean your back. Siya tempat sa polis ang pakin baka pwede. Kaya mas iyan. Oh, madi ha, weird the last shoe.
What the fuck?
Watch
Are you good with hide my cologne to you? You're a thief. You're a thief, you know.
Don't call me no thief. Don't do it.
Are you good at take my cologne?
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't like it.
Could always get a dirty fuck man too.
You can as a dirty fuck man. You can't get a dirty fuck man. Boy, stop all argument with me. I'm not in a history here.
People things, you know.
I'm not in a history. Don't want no argument with me. Because I'm older than you. Older than you.
When me call you, I'm calling you.
Shut up.
You go back and
Alright, watch out, man. Not one business.
No business, yes.
Avoid me.
Come on, don't cry.
How is it this all though?
You know, some sick and tell them, I'm going to tell mama some I don't want to know with you. You have to be a friend, baby.
I don't want to know with you.
My mouth feels swell up, I can't really chat good.
No man, it's not what I want.
Yeah, fuck chat though. I hope I can defend you. Who that?
Harry.
How are you? Huh?
Oh man,
Hi.
you good?
Yeah, man, I'm good.
Guys, good.
Go on now.
Yeah, watch your sister for you.
No, watch
I'm going to see you watch your pool.
Where you come from?
I'm going to pay the bills, you know worry about that. I pay every bill in there. So light
Okay.
bill, water bill, food bill.
I talk to you already, no sister. Remember, I talk to you already.
Rent bill. Woman.
The little boy just too enough, I like him, but we are
So
so.
what man?
The weekend, give me a fight.
I'm not money I plan to go look for you.
No, sir. My friend them are go out. Go, you know, have a one drink and talk about a couple stuff. That's it.
So your man
She not there,
there? Yo, sometimes I want to come and see her. She don't understand how you me want. Me don't want she.
You know what I'm to her, man. She don't like see her pretty day strive. She alone can strive.
You go out here, your friend go have a drink. So, I'll get backyard.
Bill for look fat though.
Yeah, man. Money, you know. So,
Thank you.
buy what you
You
want.
must have a pin number already. You did tell me the last time.
And then when you buy one, I buy it, you give me back the card. But no purchase more than what you can.
Okay. Thank you.
Alright. And tell the mom, say, this month bill pay, yeah?
Alright.
Okay, no problem.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Wow, it smells so sweet.
And I must be.
You alone there?
No, your mother.
Which one should I? In our room?
National room.
So your brother there?
I think they end up on the road to our place. You know I'm to you. That's your mother or something.
Well, never get to hear from you last night. I'm just asleep early, so I say, I have to come see you. I could have managed to just call him. I just want to see you in person. I did have to come over and see you.
You're good at things though.
Yeah, man. So anything for me though?
What?
Anything for me?
No. Yes. But in a room.
So can I do something to you in the morning?
Yeah.
So you look sad. I go to the family?
No, my friend that my girl name again, Keisha. Me and her up on the road. She want me to help her do something at the pharmacy. So I follow her.
Come on, the neighbor there in the room.
No, not in there. I tell her I'm going to see you. I'm going busy. Let me get to her because she's so... She's taking one bar.
Oh.
Where you go?
What am I
Look how long you're not coming. Look how long you're not coming. No, look how long you do not come here and you feel like you want to come march in them house. Where you going? Where you going, jog?
No, I water me a catch.
Catch water, no water not enough to catch. Excuse. Come out.
I feel me house too, you know.
Where you go?
Are you? You lose the stop. Yo.
Yo, we want to chat to you.
Yo.
Here.
Oi.
You go on a new bolt here.
That's true.
How will you?
You might try fix right here, so.
That's because there's a thinking, so that's why the bolt can't get fixed. But true, so probably you're going to need something to carry out your back, so. Yeah.
Alright, you can come on next time, come fix it.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah, because I need to start on the little boy, I need to fist him in the yak.
Ah, yeah, man, no problem. You can't just come and no want to fix
So,
it, yeah?
so walk right there, so you walk
Show me
back.
suppose there, so.
Yeah, true.
So you cool them there?
Excuse.
And I come for look for the job.
Move.
If you want to get fixed,
Alright, we get move. Yeah. Move now! Let me tell you this, don't interrupt. Hello, do not interrupt more time I see me do things, here.
We have come on that place.
You can't tell me that? The man a fix the door. What else I want?
Man a fix the door, man a kiss up on your jaw.
And I kiss him and kiss me. I tell him and
kiss
tell
him
me.
and-
I tell you something in my ears. Excuse.
Wait
Hold
there.
that. One full of water.
That's what wake you up to.
Wake me up. Oh. Me slap you in your face. You feel like say bad? Me older than you. Bright and face.
So yeah, take off that mummy.
Yeah, get too
take off
rank
that
as your
mummy.
mommy
Yeah,
say.
take off mummy, you know, fling finger say about the place like mummy.
Who you say fling finger say about the place? Don't do it. Don't mix me and that woman. Don't mix me and her. You're bright.
Make me put in my corner. Chop off.
Where you go do? Where you go do?
Yeah, chop off piece.
Boy, don't play with me. Here coming. Yo, don't play with me.
No, somewhere you go.
Go on with your friggin' business. Go on.
Somewhere you go.
My phone.
Hurry up. Right now, you know where you're going like you want this my rich brother and lie, you know. Where you can money come here, you know.
Yes, me and the same.
Oh, because it's when him come back here. You know, somebody give me a portion of hey, me have to swap me so I have to turn up. You know,
Me
you
can't
look
stop
up,
that.
Hey, they look up broke pocket boy. The boy not have money.
Let me tell you
My
this
girl.
now, me can't stop that. Every money we feel like you want to collect from him, me can't stop because guess what? I'm my man. I'm my man, me can't stop, me can't make you no give no
money. You
money.
can't say I can man nice place.
Me not carry a man in that place.
Of course.
Me I tell you, say yes, me carry a man in that place to fix the
You
door.
could lie. That's a simple thing where simple and somebody can fix.
You don't then here, I cannot do it because my hands are too tender and they're too nice and can't push. Me not cut up my finger them, so I need somebody to have the money,
But
so I
I tell you,
pay
say,
them.
you say a man, I tell you say a man I will spend your ears then, I'm no man I will spend.
The man there, they always spend them, you don't have to tell him.
Come on, house and go on there, go man. Go on there, go.
No, for run me out of this, you know.
Nobody ready, I go.
Don't run me out of this,
Sure.
you know what?
Yeah, sis. Come on, man.
See girl, I'll text me, later, bye. Come back. Lift it.
Come on, classes.
Yes, girl, me I tell you. Me tell a man say me lonely and me stress out more while I need somebody in my life. All me I try, me can't find a good man. Single life is not mine, you know. I'm a good woman. Me can wash, me can clean, and me can make love great. And me still single.
Mommy.
It just Stacy, my son is here, so I'll show you back. It just mommy.
Me not understand. More access
What's
something.
wrong?
More access
What's
something.
wrong?
More access something. How you feel have David, rich man, right? They with my sister, and yet you make him a kind different man in our house, in the lap up in our room. I don't understand the part.
Oh, me fi make
So-
your sister.
So you make David and take his money, you feed your daughter, so your daughter can take your mind different money. So I'm tell you she coming like you.
Listen to me. Get your facts straight. You see what the straight? No, I'm just show you something. Me not hurt you. I'm just showing you something. It's
No,
like
show
how
me
you see.
nothing. No,
It's
show
like
me
how you see the stick straight. Get your facts straight. That is new to me. Me make my daughter, which is your sister, I take David money, mine man. You see me make she I take man money, mine man.
Listen, I go in a room a while ago, right? And meanwhile I was coming. They were doing their thing, right? Me going, when me go up on the veranda, me hear some look nice, right? So me catch me and see here what is going on. Me and then they are going at themselves. Me knock the door now. Me like she say, hide. So me go in the room now. And the man me see in the corner, so. Like the man I say, I try hide like me can't see, man. Me literally can't see one turn up and look for me. Then when me go closer now, them a go look like say them a fix door. And they not fix no door. So me want to know how she have man lock up in a room with and David I spend pan her and I give her so much money. Me not understand how that work.
Listen to me. Not everything is as beautiful as it seems. Suppose David not make her happy. Sometimes in a son, money cannot buy happiness. She
Yes.
have to know, and
But,
first
you know,
of all, me no give her no man. Me never know so she a carry no money in my place.
But-
why you never come call me?
But hear
Just
me I
like how you
say.
can come tell me your business.
Mommy, shh, me not telling nobody business, but it's not fair. Listen what me I say, right? Listen what me I say. Just listen what me I say. Me nah say, alright, the part where you say yes, what if he not cheat her, right? Me understand about the part, but don't take man money and mine a different man. You would want fee man take fee money and mine a different woman. You would want that?
Son, let me ask you this question. How you know that Brittany I take the man money and mine the next man? How you know that? How you know that?
Listen.
How you know that?
Listen. Alright, in a relationship, right? Somebody have to go be the one if he go out there, get the money, bring in it. Or someone have to go do the way have to provide for the family. And I know say that the man there, he not work. Man look broke, he not working. So furthermore, Brittany I go take that the money there and them I go give that the man there. You know what?
Let me tell you this. Let me tell you this. Don't judge a book by the cover. It's the last time your father me see him in a jacket and tie. Tell me say my lawyer, my attorney at law, that tell the man a big so-called criminal.
Yeah,
do not judge. You can't look for the man and say the man broke.
Listen. You fall for it because you are a certified yamhead. Your mother but me not afraid to tell her you are a certified yamhead. You hear me tell her? You are a sweet.
Me a sweet.
Sweets, right? Sweets mean, in fact, that, alright. If the man not drive, you don't want him.
This need
if the man
crowd.
have money, you don't want him. You're a certified yamhead. And you are a certified gold digger.
Don't do it.
You are an old gold digger.
Yeah, Jesus.
You know, like a man for who he is, you like a man for money. Because that the man just up in a jacket and tie and tuxedo and all them something and say, oh, me a big bank this, me a big bank that. You want him. You know, go for a man and say, we try work on a little hard working money and do a little work on the side. You have to do, hey, lady, me a say, hey, don't make me have, hey, I will slap, hey.
You look a bit mixed up and
Hey,
feisty and bright.
I will slap, hey, I will
You
slap.
look a bit too feisty. Go on there,
Listen,
man.
hey, I will slap the gravity out your mouth. Hey, me left you there. Me left you there.
But gold
Hey, I will
digger.
slap, hey.
Eh? Look how much
slap you,
man,
you know.
look how much broke pocket boy dig my goal and left me. Look how much broke pocket boy dig my goal and left me.
You love fling too much. Stop fling yourself. Hey, you see if you fling yourself.
Bro, like, listen,
hey,
yo,
if
you're
you fling
son.
yourself from the place, you'd have a better life. But you, hey, God gonna fix your business. Hey, you always chat about blood of Jesus. You need some God in your soul.
You know me should not abort you.
Hey.
You know me should not abort you though.
You regret having you as a mother.
Hey!
You regret having you as a mother. You just own and shit.
Y'all come judge me.
Lady. You don't want me left your place. Hey.
Y'all come judge me. Hey! No, me see what woman nyam belly. No, me see it. She.
What?
see I go on now. You know, see up on the road more and go, but like come see you now. There's something more to you for a long time.
Oh.
See my sister in there. I say me catch her though. One day me come here. I'm here, so I'm so in my house. So I'm going, no man that me see him in there with one top in the corner, so I say me not see him. Man, she had bring in my house. So imagine now what she had do with your money when I take it here.
No man, me not hear what you say. Me not hear what you say. Hold on. Wait just say a while ago.
Me say me catch my sister in your house with a man, and then the man come act like say a door my fix. He iron something on the door, he has and stuff. Go on like say it my fix. I mean no say I it my fix, me say a man in kind of place.
Young boy or old boy?
Boy look broke too. Look like a thief. But our young human, he kinda short and fat. But long time I want to tell you no brother-in-law, but I show me not too there like that. You see me? Cause see my sister and mommy, not too, boy, they move like a hypocrite too. Why they have to raise up mommy she, cause boy she don't know herself. And sister the next one too. After me I talk to him about him, I want to fight me out. Boy, some people are left more little place right now.
So hold on there. So your mother know about this what go on?
Me tell her about it, but she tell me say she not aware of it. She never know say
So,
that is that.
So my money come down. Me if you take my money, your sister, pay the rent, everything, food, everything, and then her man I come there. After me I pay the rent there. You not tell them who maybe. You not come up, let come take me with the friend now and see how we sit down and chop.
I tell them but they not take it then. Since they don't know who you be, show them who you be. Cause like say them like say nah connect up in here so. Boy, you can't be them set a family and youth.
So if you don't there with fire, they can remember say me the money when me I get you know. I have to keep a yai in the house, you know. If nobody a come there, you know. So it seems like you're on your job. Where you there? I go. You're young, you know, for the idle. For the study. What you do?
Why? You know say me mostly there me father side of people them because you can't do they don't like one time so me up there. Or sometimes me there me spend a couple nights with my girlfriend because he live right beside so my father live close by. So I'm not too there like that one time.
Alright. I believe you. So yeah. But I didn't there now get a thing for yourself. Thanks. I'm going to listen to your mother, right?
Yeah, I can't go.
No man, that's good, man.
Alright.
That's good.
Who that? Who is that? Who?
David. Listen, Jane. Ramp here around with me. Jane, I really ramp here around with me. Eh? You tell me now. Tell me now. So me tell you already. Me tell you already, I'm sure you're pretty. Say, me can't get with you too long. You're too old. And your daughter be interested in her. And yet, you give me a daughter and then stab me behind the back and take back your daughter and give to a young boy. I mean, if I take my money and mine, young boy. Eh? Really, Jane? Talk to me, Jane. Talk to me.
You don't talk. Huh? Anything else? You think say here say work a court? Then the same thing they no work again. Where's the evidence in me give my daughter to young boy? Suppose a young boy she want. What can do about that? Me don't know about that. That new to me, Sir David. Money David. No come mix me.
Listen what me ask you now. Jane, listen. You want to teach you something. You say, me can't get here, say. So you want to tell me say brother in one flesh and blood. I tell lie, you know when brother see me from road and tell me. That man respect me now. Your son respect me from the very ground. Because I take care of him too. I give him money out of my pocket. So anything he know, him I come back and tell me. He not tell me lie. Why you don't want to tell me lie? Him boy say him come there. Go see, his sister there with boy, lock up. But him a fix lock. You don't know about that? You want to tell me you don't know about that?
As I said, this is new to me. And even if the same boy my son see him sister with man, that's not his business to find you, locate you and tell him sister business to you. Who is you? Is what? You want my son want you? Don't come here about my daughter this and daughter that. Me no know about it. And if me even know about it, me still don't know about it. Show him there.
Alright, I'm going to show you the final one in jail because it's Santa Claus business I got done. You see anything named D, I see your daughter with whosoever your son say, can describe you. Know. You have to go left here. Me I make sure me buy out this place so you have to pack and leave here. You can't even touch nothing in here. So try hope say no. Cause you think this, you remember tell you something? They say Santa Claus come once a year. But me there right through the year. As a good man, me there right through the year. And Santa Claus only come once a year. And me come like every day come buy food. Look how me make you look good. Look how you look young when you did old. Eh? Look how you look young.
We can talk to you. Just have a seat. More and talk to you.
No, listen.
No, have a seat. Have a seat. Just have a seat. And more you looking at me and tell me the honest truth. You think me, Mary Jane, woman like me would so wicked to you? Eh? Me remember kindness when I never give my daughter a young boy, when I never do it. So even if she have a young boy, me say me not know about it. Me not never betray you and stab you in your back. As you say, you make me look good and me appreciate you. Me appreciate you, David. I'm not why I use my problem, then my cousin tell me to, not because they help me. The man them want to work outside and even know my business. You talk too loud.
Alright, you me as you know. Me just have to feel the one, you know. Me no want to say you know or you don't know. And when you don't know, I'm see with me two naked guys there when God give me other two. You are go through the door and she fear school I got done. Cause since that he want to play with me I finance him, she and I make she go and hold like a virgin till she 20. And me here say, you know, I'm going to take a leave.
All I do stop financing and start finance me more. That's what you need to do.
Jane, I tell you say you're too old. I'm 25, you're 58. If I was 32, going 33, you would have a chance. But no, you can't have a chance. You go, Jane, you know what?
Young girl I want, young girl I shall get. What good?
So you think you're ready to talk to me now?
You know, so I'm pregnant.
Yo? You're pregnant who?
Pregnant. I don't know how I'll tell David this.
So for baby.
No more years. I didn't now have sex since until me around 20, 23 that time there.
So how this go work out?
You
That
mean
me
how
wanna
this
know.
stuff? You have to find a way to work out. Because of your pitney.
Sure, I'm me alone here, right?
I am the only person.
Think you get so aggressive for me.
Because of how you behave.
Alright then. You know me that trying youth. Yes, I mean, if you say I'm a youth, then I'm willing to take up a responsibility and do what I have to do. You see me? I stand out as a father, but I just want you to try your best to not make your brother, nor your mother, nor David to know say I'm me a pregnant for.
Alright, I'm here. I'm trying my best.
So like you're pregnant, well, you can have something for do. You know, some love to eat
Look how me
24/7.
But look how me not feel good.
Don't worry about that. It will make you feel happy. Anytime you're sad, it will cheer you up. So don't worry about that. If you look next up, you put a smile on your face. Although you're going to feel pain. I want to do something before your brother come and come. I don't know what I'm telling you.
Yeah, sure. That man.
Big man.
What's that?
What did you man?
Why?
Sleep, bro, you're comfortable.
You cannot before you come in.
Not no full room, a full room, I can come in and ready and I'm comfy on the bed.
Then go in your bed. We're interrupt with her.
Where you man over here?
Are your business that? Me always a cuss over the same thing. Me can't bother with it. Me sick and freaking
Nah,
tired of
you
you.
can't man in here. Don't get no man in here.
You
Me
can't
want
tell
no
me
man in
that?
here.
Upon your bed in there or my bed?
Man, you. You want some figure, man?
Yo, happiness.
Come take him out now. So you with your man? Every day you come here with this friggin'
Hey,
drug.
I'll slap your head.
Try me not try me. Try me. No, try me.
Fire.
Try me. You try me.
You love your life?
If you learn from me,
You love your life, no?
Love me like yes.
Yo, I'm telling you, it's all in a favor. Me put you out of this.
So I can't
Yes, when you come in and ask me and your sister, you calm down yourself.
My man, that's
So sit down, listen and calm yourself.
right.
Alright. Yeah, general.
Stop touching me,
One
man.
man.
Yeah, general. Alright. Alright, Mr. Big Joe. Alright. Stay till me come back here. Don't move, fat boy. Don't move. Here, fat boy. Don't move. We soon come back. Don't move. Fat boy, don't move. Alright.
Lock the door.
I'm your brother.
I don't know where, man. Come back the line of the sea, because him not know where. He full of motor. He not know.
See me?
Wait a minute. What man you say there?
We come in a come see man right there so.
Which man me there pregnant baby?
And she
I make me make up a bed for go sleep. Me tired.
Go on, I'm sure. Go on,
Stop now.
Go on,
Move up, let the man show when my summit.
go on, lie.
Yeah, you deserve it.
Look, you see it now.
Where you go? Where you go? Move your nasty this man. Where you go?
Me want to know what go on in here. Me must tell me a
Alright,
Baby,
look.
nothing is going
Look,
on
brother-in-law.
here.
Me see man said so. Me see man said so. And she said so. See her here. And the man
Come off my bed now, sir.
Me here.
Come off my bed now.
So,
And when me come in here, the man bad me up and jait me up.
That is
Like
a
you and box me
lie.
and throw me
Nobody
away
not
so.
coming here. Just listen to me, baby. Don't worry yourself. Me not cheap on you. I sleep, me just
Cheat
stay
that,
asleep.
left
but listen, my woman a virgin.
Virgin Mary.
But you.
Not
Yeah.
gonna have no baby.
Me tell him I told him 20.
Mommy a liar.
Exactly. Don't come
She
mad
and her
no
mother
liar.
liar. Mommy is liar.
I him a liar.
I'm mad about them a liar.
Look here, don't tell her like
She want to
mommy.
live like mommy. She want to fling herself like mommy.
Look here, I see him just here go sleep. And the boy, marching can disturb me, please.
Yo,
Yeah, hey.
listen what me I say now. Listen, me understand now. Not because me I give you money if you watch your sister. How more money you want, me can tell her for
I
your
know
sister.
that.
Hello.
And true.
So you give money for watch me, that means you simple don't trust me.
No, listen, baby.
You don't
listen.
trust me. I'm gonna like
Me
this
don't
someday.
want me I spend the money and then news I carry go around same way.
Here.
Me want him to watch you.
No.
I truth.
I wrong somebody this year make you send for watch me. Don't come skin up my face off for me like a smell shit in this.
You know what I do? You see, next time,
I got video.
A money you want, a money you could
Alright,
dirty football, you have a dirty girl and roll your money go
video
to.
now and show you tell me say I lie me I tell you.
no, me don't want no video. Me want to see it live, direct with it. Cause video can cut and
Alright.
clip together. You
Are
can,
you? Yes, a workless man.
Don't call me man no workless man, a
You
stink
don't
on
wanna-
face
you don't wanna
thing.
walk
Come
list.
out
You
here.
don't want to walk this
I'm gonna
alive.
have a dirty foot.
You don't want to walk this
alive.
alive.
me ask you sister, me money what this?
You don't want money.
Alright baby, go and what's
Look
the
at
bed.
that. Me I live on my bed too.
Listen,
Crosses man.
listen, don't tell no more lie for your sister.
I'm going to tell lie for them first.
Me,
If you stop that like palm man, me not like them style.
you need to sleep, not you baby.
Me did that
You
stick
know
on me
that.
ears and me heart go to put me for rise up. Because I say what?
Man,
I
the man
must go.
over there so
Me
hug
say I
up.
must go, man.
I
I
draw
brought
about me. The man over there so hug up. And the man
So how me not come back and see the man that that's the thing?
the man good as you run out when you pull the girl coming in here.
Don't tell, don't lie, don't do it, don't tell no lie for me, no lie people tell. Me don't like people tell lie for me, don't do
listen, what I
it.
bet, now, I talk to
Don't
them.
like it.
Gotta
I'm
fix
not
your
go
business.
ball.
We talk to you if you watch your sister, because you know that you
Alright,
get
you go see one day. You go see somebody right. You know say me you so brother. You so that to me.
It's a more ball, I don't like people tell
You
lie
go catch you on
for
some
me.
money. Yeah, but I go jump out. Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, bad. Yeah, wicked. Boy,
Alright, later.
boy, your mother is a cougar. Boy.
Yeah, but I'm not like the door. Alright, later here. You see you? You see you? I dead you
Wait,
one
man,
next
wait,
time.
man.
Don't worry
Where you
yourself.
fucking
about
man?
it.
Where you have me?
Don't worry yourself. Don't. Boy, I don't say nothing to
Make
me.
you want to treat you though.
Who you? Come on. What mean by Who you?
Come on. Listen up, I'm
Who
on
you?
a robbery. Me and your daughter boyfriend.
My daughter boyfriend.
Yes, Brittany.
What? Brittany! Brittany!
Yes, mommy.
Out here now!
What do you want?
How are this? Come on, come here.
any mosquito in here?
Talk.
He is my boyfriend.
You what?
My man.
Brittany,
What?
what you mean by your man? Not because me give you permission to talk to David. You think say you're a big woman, you're still underneath my roof.
Me alone can't spend so much money with David and give me some I have to use it on him too.
What is not this?
But it's not this.
So you think you're big now?
So I'm not big and I say me. Look. I say me big. Look at you. Don't do it. Me alone can't spend as much money, so I spend it for my man. Me find different man. Look here, David alone can't please me.
You don't need to be talking to me like that. I understand I am not the best mom, but I'm trying.
You're not
You
trying.
don't need to be like me. You can be different.
No, are you make me from so? Are you me come from?
You want to be a man. I'm not fixing the family issue.
Alright, later, come give me a hug.
Oh, boyfriend. He might have take your money, man. I don't want to road.
Don't worry yourself.
Stupid.
No worry yourself, brother. As long as I buy money, man.
Take the money and save towards college, but you're mine, man.
Put it some more and go to college.
You're lucky.
Are you lucky? If
You're lucky.
Look here, lady. Please, come out to my business.
It's okay, no, Brittany. It's okay. You see? All along your brother was right. Me see you did that somebody, but you're worse than him.
Who is you to call nobody? Look here.
Your mother. The
You're
one.
worse than
Listen,
me.
shut up.
Don't tell me now. I'm not busy for my mother. Don't raise the myself for me. Cockroach are gonna cock fair. Move from here, so. Bright.
According to the Bible, obey your parents so your days can be long. Obey me.
Look here, what the Bible say? If you listen to your pig, when a pig you're gonna bat it all, if you dive and eat with him too. So that's nice. Excuse you, bye. Bright.
Where are they going to go? Where are they going to go?
I couldn't even tell man they have to be a problem to you. Don't do it. Bright. Outside.
Miss sorry the day I'm going to go pregnancy. Miss
No,
sorry.
Jesus. You're going to see and you're going to keep on sorry. Because I'm me a sorry. You are sorry.
Hey, what is? Go on yourself.
Don't touch me.
Go on yourself.
Same old.
You still love me?
Yeah, but it's not gonna be a problem, man.
No matter what, I love you. You're my only son. Okay?
Yeah,
I will always love you.
yeah.
Mother. Good night. What do you want, Brittany? Some of the confess. Look at your face when I say it. You hear me? Promise you're not gonna judge me. And, you know, you're gonna judge me?
I don't know. Let's see.
Well, me nobody want to tell them. You have a promise me say you're not gonna judge me.
I promise that I'm gonna listen to what you have to say and see from there.
I'm pregnant.
Okay. Congrats.
So that officer? What kind of mother you be? We tell us we're pregnant. Okay. Congrats. What kind of mother you be?
Brittany,
What?
what do you expect? Anyways, I'm glad. Said David finally get pregnant. Fantastic news. Him could wait till I reach 20. Thank you, Jesus. What a dream come true. Money I go run now, girl. Money I go run.
Yeah, money I go run.
Stay happy.
Happy, yes. This was just a burden, you know? No. Yeah.
So, how far along are you in the pregnancy?
1 month. 1 month.
So you feel? You feel happy?
Let me say so.
You never ready?
No, I'm never ready.
Expect anybody?
No. Oh. Hi.
Good night.
Good night.
Night, mother-in-law. Good night, Mr. Informer.
Man, move, man.
Hey, where you kick him for? Mommy talk to the boy and come and butter bruise him in the hair, you know.
I need peace.
Always.
Peace.
Mommy, see me this in front of you, isn't it? They know you speak it, bro.
They don't respect me. Your time will come.
What a big happy family reunion. Call off your wife, yeah.
I'm going to tell you.
Wife.
Brittany, now my class are grown. You have a room inside there.
Mommy, mind your business, please. I want to cuddle with the son.
Yes, baby. Listen. Yeah, man, I can't forward over now. The right time to forward over. Alright, we're back up.
No man not complain of no woman.
Wait, you're still see. Nah, no man. No, maybe I'm surprised, you know. Yeah.
I would have.
Hear that? Life good.
Namaste, girl.
Me, no must be girl.
What? I want to see the girl.
You want to be girl now?
I mean, I'm gonna say no. She really eat the food and I give it out.
Eat.
I'm hungry.
Oh, Luis. Oh, okay, baby, now. Out there.
Hi.
Sister.
Hi, David.
Sister.
Oh my God.
So,
It's really
Why?
nice to see you.
you call me a while ago for the phone. So,
Yes.
No.
Hey boy, you know what I want Informer?
See, man, there. I am this. The boy.
Not right now.
The money. I am man.
We are top, bro.
I'm man, this here.
Yes,
No.
I the one there.
No,
Me,
it's
I the one
not
there.
my man.
Listen.
Stop now. Sit down now, man. I feel like five foolishness, brother.
My brother and I this. I think you can.
Boy, I stop the man, I stop man food,
Sit
Informer.
down now, man.
No. This my brother and I.
So, what are you?
Brother and I, bad man, I hear. Little brother and I, you see.
You don't know me, you know. But me have to clarify myself to you. Ask somebody about me. I am a long lost cousin. So are you the yard? I must love my woman.
Me and him don't have nothing. We are friends.
We are not.
Mom, you talk
We're
to him now.
together.
You man understand now, man.
I don't feel like
So, David, don't worry about this man. Welcome officially to this family. She's
Wait.
pregnant for you. Pregnant, finally.
That's what we want.
I want a grandson. Grandson in the place with the football in.
Jim, you realize what you said to me right now?
She pregnant.
Yo, what's going on now? You hypocrite, you know?
For who?
Tell the man the truth now.
What truth?
For
Tell the
who?
man, say, I know.
Jim, what you say she do?
You have impregnated my own daughter at age 17. Congrats.
Let me talk to you, okay?
No, Jim, me tell her, say, I want your daughter when the daughter at 20. Jim, I think your daughter is still a virgin. What do you mean by me impregnate your daughter? Me and your daughter never sleep.
telling me true.
Jane, a Virgin Mary.
This is so wonderful.
No confess.
Hello? So I'm a David Peter Cherry. I'm marking him,
I
sir.
don't mark your name.
Call him Big Joe, big fat boy. Call him so big baby boy.
I'm pregnant for.
Look up there and tell him.
Just come out from the boy, yeah?
Listen,
No, come here.
listen. You don't like us.
Don't touch my son. Don't
If
eat.
you can't.
Not the place
No, take a
outside.
video from it. Take a video from it.
Relax, son, relax, relax.
Mommy,
Just
you
relax.
don't relax. You can't tell me you can't make your
Yo, hey,
some government account touch my man, right?
Yeah, man.
Listen,
I want pregnant me beat you in this.
listen.
Yeah, the city to be standing beside this man about your man.
Get the things.
Leave me alone.
Get the things.
No, we need to start
One
out
more.
this
Get
first.
the
Oh.
things
We
then.
need to start out this first.
I'm the man that pays the bill here. So you know what? There's no thing to start out right here. You see, by a morning,
Yeah.
when you pack up the bag, I'm not a fact from tonight. When you go and take up the bag, don't take up nothing from out here.
What
No worry, you might get the front room. I'm buying this place.
Alright.
So you're going to have to leave here. You and your mother and your so-called baby father look like he's not even have dollar in his pocket right now.
when the child born, the child can come stay with him nephew,
Get your things.
with him uncle, sorry.
Jane, you look like a pan crack. Jane, we feel like it really the pan crack. Jane, you have to more cook.
So you mean say you kick me out?
Jane, I tell you, said you didn't hide anything from me.
Two word
You
that fat
did
boy.
not.
2 word that.
If your son never called me since night, me will say children. Trying to go out through the door and me I pay this bill. You have my money and my man. You know, around me and my brother, I watch you. Good.
You see?
Farmer.
Come on! Leave me man alone. Leave me man alone. Come on! Leave me man alone.
Take off the door.
What? Sat in there, come.
Wanna take this thing for you know me? Me friend let this thing leave him alone. Leave him. Come here. You give me this. Let it go. You know me? Don't peel me here. Don't peel me. I'm not gonna say no matter. I don't care. And you put me in a situation here.
Did I open your legs, Brittany?
Come on.
Eh? Did I open your legs?
Me not
It's about
care.
choices.
I don't care.
Your days shall be bitter. Trust me.
Don't play with me.
Go on.
How people can have rich man things every name out here
Dirty
now?
man. Where?
At least I got your chance.
Shut up.
They choose to my man.
Hate you.
I ate your more. I should have abandoned you. Disgusting.
Oh no.
Again.
Tell them about Pitney.
Take up your wig.
Let me come on, too.
Take up your wig. And your clothes and I'll go on.
Yeah.
The wig come like you have for all years and I wash it. Hurry up, go. Hurry up, go.
Hey.
Go on. Yeah. Put out your mother. Right.
Me no want to push on the dirty and frownsy.
Oi, my
Me no want it.
Give me. Thief. Thief like your mother. Where your mother? When they? Your mom did. Now put him on.
No, come on. Go on. Your man, go on. Hey, come here. Come here, James. Come here. This is part of the property.
One last spoon, please.
Take the last spoon, okay? Come. One last spoon, Jane. One last spoon. You should have put her back the wig in your ball to water and soap.
You have reached to the end of the movie. As I said, if you didn't come in, like, comment, and share as what she also said too. Please do that. What are you waiting for?
guys, thank you for watching, right? We reached to the end of the movie. Leave a comment under and tell us if you like it. We'll see what I go on, alright?